Namaste, everyone. Before I even begin today's story, I want to ask how many of you believe in coincidences? That things happen randomly, spontaneously in your life. Thank you. You can put your hand down. Well, luckily, I don't. Because if I believe in coincidences, then I'd also have to say that things happen to me. And then I cannot say that I manifested my entire life. Just like you see here, that is me in the same uniform you're sitting in. I was a student back here in 2016, just a decade ago. And that is the same me at a different stage. So this is not a story about success. This is not a story about glamour. But this is a story about courage. In 2016, I watched a YouTube fashion show very randomly. And it sparked something so big inside me that I was ready to give away my safety net. I was also a very good student, a biology topper from this very school. And I had to risk that safety net to fulfill this dream, to go into the world of fashion. So I took a leap of faith with no roadmap, no connections, no network. I remember signing up to the first pageant that I saw because I was so young, nobody was ready to take my responsibility. So I found one local pageant in Delhi and signed up at 16. Everything went smooth until the day of audition. I went to the venue, I sat in the car, and I froze. My heart was racing, my mind was numb, and I was ready to turn back the car and not step out. I was not ready to face failure. Not just failure of failing, but the fear of not being seen as I am. The fear of not being enough to go out in the world. And if I did stay in that car that day, I would not be here. I took this first step with courage. And that is how destiny shows up. Destiny is not smooth, it is not effortless. It is where you have to push yourself where your fear is overtaking you. I went inside that, had a great audition, and actually won that pageant the very year. And then I went ahead to represent India in C international pageants across Europe. And before I knew it, I was on TV, I was on interviews. So I was everywhere. The international media was covering me, the Indian media was covering me. And what happens to someone who finds success, fame, glory, glamour so young? Well, it overtakes you. You don't know how to handle it. And that is where experience comes into picture. I was also awarded by Dr. Kiran Bedi. Everybody saw these glamour images, me on TV, me in newspapers, but nobody saw my performance that I made in my real life. Where I had to wake up at 4 a.m., work out, study for my boards in 12 standards, go out for events, go to my school, go to my coaching, and do it all. Was it hard? Yes. Was it unfair? Maybe. But that is the thing about success. It doesn't ask for convenience. It does not happen in your comfort zone. It asks for your consistency. And that is what real discipline is. It is self-respect to own up to what you dreamed of. And I moved to Mumbai, to everyone's dream place, tried my luck, failed many times, succeeded many times. And that made me realize, who am I doing this all for? Am I doing it for the fame? Because I got that. Am I doing it for the money? Because I got that. I did it to belong. To belong in a world where only successful belong. Where only the great people belong. And I was called skinny. I was called fat. To some, I was too much. It's all very paradoxical. But I began to lose myself in the race of counting calories, of the need to look a certain way, a need to fit every size. So I stopped. I asked myself, how much can I run away from me to fit in, to belong? Don't I belong to my own self first? I can have all this and yet be of service to myself. So I started sharing my journey online with a brand named Shine Your Light. Because that is why I really started to shine my light, to change the world with my presence, with my awareness, so that I cannot be a replica of someone's, but what I am internally, may that be reflected magnanimously in the world. And that is what it represents. Suddenly, my story had a meaning. The struggles I was going through had a meaning. The pain had a meaning because other people started reaching out to us with their fear of not able to being seen, with their fear of not being enough to everyone's. And that made me realize this is something larger than myself. This is something greater than myself. So there's this beautiful quote by Jim Carrey where he says, may you get every desire that you can have in this world, only to realize it was not the answer all the way. So that is what my wish for you is. May you get every success that you want, only to know it is bigger than you, only to know it's not going to give you the satisfaction you expected. I have been manifesting my life for an entire decade, to the point I have gone out of goals. I've run out of them. So that is where the service begins, where you're helping the collective, where you're helping people, empowering them to believe in what they already hold, to believe in who they already are, and just illuminating that. So that is my journey as your pre-head girl alumni and as a fashion model, and now as someone who helps 25,000 souls across the globe empower and illuminate as they are. Thank you.